Hello everyone, this is Rashi Srivastav. I am currently a third year BTech Computer Science and Engineering and Artificial Intelligence student at BBD University. Today I am excited to present my project titled Our Tech Hospital Management System, which is a hospital management system developed using Python and MySQL. Our Tech Hospital is a desktop-based designed application to manage hospital operations in a more efficient and organized way. Right? Guys, it aims to reduce the manual work and improve the accuracy and speed of the patient data handling. Let me show you the GUI of this project. Run without debugging. Here, first of all, let me tell you about the libraries. Here I have imported these libraries, and to make the interactive GUI, I have imported this library, that is Tkinter. Yeah, here you can see the GUI of the project. That is Our Tech Hospital Management System, that is the root title, and the Hospital Management System, that is the title. And these all are the fields of the patient records. Here you can see this is the database. Your data is stored in this, and here this is the scroll bar. You can scroll the data in a database. This is the detail frame, and this is the search bar. You can search the data by using the patient ID, patient name, patient contact number. You can type the patient ID here and search the information about the patient. This is the prescription button, prescription data, delete button, update button, clear button, exit button, and generate PDF button. All the information of the patient will be printed here, and I'll tell you in the VS Code about these buttons, these fields, and data frame. First of all, I'll tell you about this, and after that I will fill these fields and generate the PDF of the patient records. So back to the VS Code. Here I have imported these libraries, that is Tkinter, that is used to make the interactive GUI that you have seen. I have imported the date and time to import the current date and time in our project, and message box to show the message in the project. This is the very most important library. I have connected the MySQL database with Python by using this library. Let me show you. This is the MySQL workbench, and I have created a hospital database, and this is the database. All the data is stored in this database. You can see this is a scroll. You can see that is the stored information of the patient. This is the hospital database. You can see the attributes columns of this database, that is patient name, date of birth, address, medication specialist, name of tablet, reference number, issue date, expiry date, storage instructions, symptoms, blood pressure, and lot number. I have connected MySQL by importing this library, MySQL.connector. So after that, I have imported this custom Tkinter for the professional GUI. And from PIL import image. To import the image or icons, I have imported this library. Import image tk. After that, I have imported this report lab.pdf gen import canvas. To generate the PDF of the medical report of the patient, I have imported this library report lab.pdf gen. After that, I have created the class hospital and initialized the function, and these all are the fields of the patient recorder. And I have labeled the title of the project, that is Hospital Management System, that you have seen while showing the GUI. And this is the for importing the icons, I have written this code. After that, I have created the data frame, left data frame and right data frame. In the left data frame, I have shown you that all the information of the patient is listed here, and the details of the patient will be printed there in right data frame. Okay. Button frame includes all the buttons that are being used in a project, and the detail frame show you the details of the patient. And that is the fields in left data frame. The fields are medicine name, and so I have also created a combo box for the medicines so that we can find the medicine names easily. So these all are the medicine names, and the combo box contain these medicines. In reference number field, number of medicines, issue date, expiry data, and all so on. These all are the fields that you have seen in the GUI. Okay. After that, I have defined a function. Right here, you can see all the buttons. I have written a code for the working of the buttons. Here, this prescription data button will take the command from the iPrescription data. That is the function that I have defined it in our code. I'll show it to you. And this is the delete command. The button delete uses this command, button update uses this update command, and the button clear uses this clear command, and exit command as well, and PDF button PDF uses the command generate PDF. Okay. And this is the scroll bar. I have created a scroll bar. Here you can scroll the data that is stored in a database. You can scroll the data of the patient. Okay. After that, okay, that is the function that I have defined in our code. And in the search button, prescription button, add button, prescription data button, exit button, update button, all these buttons take the command from these defined functions that I've defined this iSearch data function. If the field is not selected in the search bar, then the message box shows the error, that is error, please select the search field. If the search field is empty, okay, then it shows the error that please enter the search value. And if the contact number is not equal to 10 digits, okay, then it shows an error that please enter valid contact number. Okay. After that, I have defined a function that is iPrescription data, and this function is used to store the data in a database. Okay. Then it shows if any field are empty, then it shows the error that all fields are required. Okay. And the button prescription data takes the command from this function that is prescription data. Okay. And okay, this is defined update data. Okay, I have defined this function update data, and the button update button takes the command from this function update data. And if you want to update any record of the patient, then you can press this update button, and this if you have updated the data successfully, then the message box shows the info that is success, record updated successfully. Okay. And the fetch data fetch all the details of the patient, and after that it gives the result. And then after that I have defined this function prescription. Okay, this function is used to print all the fields of the patient, or we can say the medical record. Okay, medical record of the patient in the right data frame. Okay, prescription data frame. You can see in the project, and I have defined this delete function to delete all the data from the database. Okay, and this is clear function to clear the data fields from the data frame. Okay, and if the data field is successfully cleared, then it shows the message box shows the message that clear data successfully. I have defined the exit function that and the exit button takes the command from this exit function. Okay, and you can see this is the code to generate a PDF, and it is the very important part of this project. You can see, okay, this is the function that we have defined, and it is used to generate the PDF. Okay, and it uses all the fields of the patient record and generate the PDF. And when the PDF generated successfully, then it shows the message success, video generated successfully. Okay, you can see again GUI, Overtech Content Management System, and all these we have written this in the code for these fields. Okay, in a VS Code. Okay, after that, now I'm going to fill all these fields. Okay, so patient ID is 5. Okay, 5. Patient name is Varun, and the date of birth is 4/6/1996. Okay, and the address is 2nd Char Bagh, Lucknow. Okay, and the doctor name is Dr. Shivani. Okay, and she is the dermatologist. And medication is yes or no? Yes, medication yes. Body temperature of the patient is 96.5, and the contact number of the patient is 489-756. Okay, that's the contact number of the patient, and she want to give the medicine cetirizine. Okay, where is cetirizine? You can see all these medicines in this combo box, medicine combo box. Okay, cetirizine. Yeah, that is the medicine cetirizine. Okay, reference number of the patient is REF 987. Okay, medicine number of medicines is 8. Issue date is 8/8/2012, right? And the expiry date is 9/12/2018. Storage instructions is keep away from sunlight. Okay. Symptoms is skin allergy. Next, blood pressure. Blood pressure is 118 mmHg. Lot number is 8. Okay, here you can see I have filled all these fields of the patient information. Okay, so we will print this patient information in the prescription box. Okay, so first of all, you have to store or save this data in a database, that by clicking on the prescription data button. Okay, record inserted successfully. You can see this message box, record inserted successfully. Okay, so you can see the record of the patient ID 5, patient name Varun, and all the details of the Varun. Okay, this is the scroll bar. You can scroll the data of the patients. Okay, and if you want to print the patient information in the prescription box, then click on the prescription button. Okay, here you can see the patient records are printed here. Okay. Now if you want to update the number of medicines. Okay, I'll update it as 10. Okay, so the number of medicines update. I want to update this number of medicine from 8 to 10. Okay, so click on the update button. Okay, record updated successfully. Okay, so you can see number of medicines 10. Okay, number of medicines is 10. Now, if you want to delete the record of any patient, then click on the patient record. That is, if I want to delete the record for Kaushal Srivastava. Okay, so click on the delete button. Delete. Patient record has been deleted successfully. Okay, here you can see there is no record of the Kaushal Srivastava. There is no record. Okay, so Kaushal Srivastava's record is deleted successfully, and I want to clear the fields. Okay, so just click on the clear button, and the clear data successfully. Data is cleared. Okay. Okay. After that, I want to print the record of Varun. Okay. Yeah. Just click on the prescription button, and the record is printed here. And I want to exit. No, I don't want to exit right now. So I will want to exit the hospital management system. And click on the no. Okay. I want to generate the PDF of Varun. Okay, so record, generate. Now name as Varun, report. Okay, now save. You can see the message PDF generated successfully. You can see the PDF in the scroll documents. That is the Varun's report. You can see the Varun's report. Yeah, you can see the Varun's report by this PDF. This is the Avatec Hospital. That is the overall title of this hospital management system project, and the patient medical report. You can see the date of the patient ID is 5, patient name is Varun, date of birth, address, doctor name, specialist, medication, body temperature, contact number, medicine name, reference number, and all these fields. And you can see the current date and time in this PDF. Okay, so back to the VS Code. Okay, if you want to search the data by patient ID. Okay, so I want to search the patient ID 5, date of the patient ID 5. Okay, so search. Okay, you can see the patient ID 45, patient name Rashi Srivastava, and all the details. Okay, patient ID 45, patient name Rashi Srivastava, date of birth, address, and all these details of this patient. And you can see I want to update the prescription, so I have to clear the data. And after that I print this. So I have to select this field, or patient ID 45, and after that print the prescription. Okay, and generate PDF. Rashi Srivastava, record. See, you can see the PDF generated successfully. Okay, now let me show you the PDF. Yeah, that is the Rashi Srivastava's record. This is all the information about the Rashi Srivastava and Avatec Hospital patient medical report, date, current date and time, and all the information about this patient. Okay, after that back to the VS Code. Now I want to exit. Are you sure you want to exit the hospital management system? Yes, I want to exit. Okay, back to the VS Code. Okay, so guys, the main objective of this project is to digitalize and simplify hospital management processes. Okay, it helps in efficiently managing the patient records and reducing the manual paperwork, right? So the system provides a simple and user-friendly graphical interface using TickInter, making it easy for hospital staff to operate, right? So the main features of this project is the system includes the several important features, right? So yeah, that the features are patient registration and record management. Okay, here you can register the patient and manage the records of this patient and print the patient records, and you can generate the PDF of the patient records. Okay, and the automatic generation of the PDF. Okay, and you can search. You can search by patient records by patient ID. So the search functionality, okay, based on the patient ID, patient name, contact number, reference number. Okay, and this is the clean interactive GUI graphical user interface, right? So and it includes the secure database management using MySQL, right? Using MySQL. Okay, so guys, the technologies used in this project are Python for backend development, right? And TickInter and custom TickInter to make the interactive GUI for the user. Okay, right? So and MySQL database management system to manage and store the data in a database, right? And the report lab library. Okay, report lab library that is used to generate the PDF. Okay, and the image library for these icons for this project. Okay, so it is the user friendly project, and while working on this project I gained experience in connecting Python with MySQL database, right? Okay, and to design a GUI based application, right? It includes structuring a real world projects, right? It improves the problem solving and debugging skills. So guys, the conclusion of the Awatech Hospital is a simple and effective system that demonstrate how technology can improve the hospital management, right, and make processes efficient. Okay, so thank you for watching my project. I would really appreciate your feedback and suggestions for improvement. Okay, thank you. Bye bye guys.